7:35 in the morning. I'm starting the Kapakapanui loop track. The plan is to go to Kapakapanui Hut and then come back to the car park. Starts off at a private driveway. Okay, it looks like the track just follows the creek for a bit. Looks like we need to cross here. Here he goes. Looks cold. Lovely clear water here. So not too bad. Now the track appears to follow the creek. There are markers along here. Doesn't look too deep. It's nice and wide here. Okay, this looks like the main junction point where you can turn left or right to go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Today I'm heading to Kapakapanui Hut. Sign says 2 hours 45 minutes. See how we go. Now in quite a narrow valley. It's a lovely, lovely day, blue sky. Up we go. Okay, I'll be back later after I've done a bit of climbing. Okay, I'm at elevation 420 meters. This is looking back towards the coast, back towards Wellington. The track is starting to level out a bit. It's still a climb, but what you've just missed is quite a serious steep climb. Back there I passed 2 adult goats with 2 baby goats. They took off pretty quick when they saw me. Now at 535 meters. The sun's starting to come out now for me now. Just looking down to where I just came from. It's about horizontal. Huge tree up there, starting to get quite nice now with the ferns, and you can maybe see the water coming out of the trees. Okay, the track's starting to level out a lot more now. We passed the worst of the steepness at the start. A few birds around you can probably hear. Okay, nice little flat section here. No wind today. Feels much damper here. I could see this morning Kapakapanui was covered in cloud. I think all that cloud's gone now. The trees and everything is still very damp. It's now 9 o'clock in the morning. Feeling good still. This is very nice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There's plenty more videos to come. I can feel the temperature dropping now. I'm not sure how high I am. I've just been notified by my watch that I've done 5 kilometers. Okay, it's 9:40 in the morning. Still going across this reasonably flat section before the hut. Now got some nice sun. It's not particularly warm though. My watch says 23 minutes to go, so I should be there around 10 o'clock. $370 meters to go to the hut. There's this last big climb. There's a helicopter flying over, very close. And here we have the hut. It's now 10:05 in the morning. Welcome to Kapakapanui Hut. It's now 10:30 in the morning. Just going to go up a little bit further above the hut to try and get a good view before heading back down to the car park. Pretty seriously swampy here. Okay, this is as high as I'm going to go. If you've been following along with previous videos, I've been here before, but I came from the Pukia tour track and came down to this point. Then I had to return because I was running out of time. But beautiful views here. I don't have time to go to the top today. It's Kapiti Island there in the distance. Kapiti coast. Heading up to a bit of goblin forest. Just had to include this in the video. It's pretty beautiful here. If you head north at this point, at the big orange marker here on the tree, there's a ridge that goes over to Pukia to a track. You can actually see there's a bit of a trail here through the trees.